Greetings. So I am Abhijit Singla from the company Noisy Labs. I am the director and the chief technical officer for this company, and I lead the department of research and development, and also supervise the department of manufacturing for the company. We over here at Noisy Labs have been involved in developing one of the most innovative and efficient designs for the audio equipment space, and we have patents too in that space. So it's a common notion in the audio industry that bigger the resonance chamber or the box, the better the sound. But we here believe that we can do better and much better in a relatively smaller space, but also maintaining the audio fidelity that you expect from us. So we do not compromise on the fidelity part, not even a single bit. In talks with the manufacturers to integrate our products, and one of their key demand was to keep it very subtle and very compact, which again screens efficiency, which we are focused on. And our earlier patents also were on efficiency in the amplifier space, but also now we have another patents that we are going to publish that are also on amplifiers and its resolution, thus increasing the fidelity, and also they're on the enclosure space. So you might have seen some big enclosure spaces for audio systems that are being sold for as a home purpose or for car audio automobile industry and such all that. So we developed a very compact yet very powerful solution for the same, but also a very common solution so that you can use it at home, in your car, or anywhere else that might require a specialized scenario, for which I have an example right here. If I may show you what is the actual size, here is my hand. This is the actual size of this box, and it can achieve up to 120 decibels of peak power in the right environment which is it is tuned for. So this is the module that we were talking about, and this module incorporates all our thinking and all our research at one research, as we here at Noisy Labs are not a fan of throwing away your old equipment just because a new one has came out and it has a one shiny new feature that you always wanted. So we kept here everything upgradable, and that too easily. That means by the user. No, you don't have to come to the service center, which by the way you can, but you don't have to. It's user replaceable. We have designed it that way, and it's very simple. So everything is laid out, and this is the testing board, but it would the final one would work just like this one. So what we have here is the basic processing unit, and it acts like the motherboard, for which we have the add-ons such as the Bluetooth and the amplification section. Now these are the accessory modules that we will be launching further along the line, and we have already provided the space for the same. These contact with the central processing unit directly. So this is the Bluetooth receiver that in the future might have a better fidelity. We have upgraded this one for the maximum fidelity that you can achieve right now, but in the future there might come some modules that can achieve even better. So there is an easily accessible port over here that you can just slide out this module and put a new one in. Also the amplifier, that's just a basic need, and everybody needs a more powerful one here and then. So you can buy the basic one if in case you require only this one. Then along the line you decide to change your mood depending on that. You want a more powerful one, or you want a more robust or more then you can easily pull this one out like this, and it interfaces via connection. So everything is programmable right here, and you can easily replace it with another one that includes whatever your requirement might be. You just slide it in and you are ready to go. It already interacts with this, as they are pre-programmed and they don't require any software changes or anything like that. Now this enables us to create a universal size for everything. So we can either use this in every system we want, or also we can shrink it. And by shrinking I mean really shrink it. For example, this one, as you can see the size difference, but what it is the same thing. You can see the Bluetooth module here, the Bluetooth module here, and it has all the basic controls you might need. Now you might think that this is not upgradable, but actually we incorporated everything in the Bluetooth module itself. So you just need to swap this out and put a new one in. And you can also provide these back to the service center for a relatively discount. So these are reserviceable by us. So we do accept these. We do not want to throw these away. So e-waste is a very bad thing, and we do not want to promote that. So also, this enables us to put everything in a very relatively small size.